Oh hey, I still have a bunch of boxes that I'm unboxing, and today we're gonna unbox something from AliExpress. Right there, and I am excited. I believe it's going to be a lens for my phone. Maybe you don't know that, but I actually have multiple YouTube channels. My main YouTube channel where I have over 140, I think, subscribers. I sometimes film stuff with my phone. Actually, I'm always filming stuff with my phone actually, so I decided, hey, why not invest in some sort of lens? And of course, let's not invest too much because I'm not sure. So we definitely go to AliExpress for the best deals. Okay, that was one package in another package. Great. I don't even remember which one I took. Oh, this is big. Oh, this is huge. Oh, it's this one. Okay, cool. This is gonna be interesting. So I have the Samsung Galaxy S7 FE. No, it's not S7. That's my tablet. S20 FE. And this is what the camera pattern looks like. Oh, this case looks awful on camera. Pretend you didn't see that. So this is what the camera layout is going to look like. So it's difficult to find one of those clipping things because obviously it's gonna go over the screen or maybe over the other cameras. That's why I was so hesitant, and it basically took years for me to invest in something like that. This is actually not my first phone camera accessory. I have another wide angle one, but it just looks awful because it seems like the lens is small. So that is why I bought this gigantic thing. Oh my, it's bigger than I thought. And then I'm guessing this is the clip. Oh wow, when they say universal, they were definitely not kidding. Also, this is definitely going to block some of my stuff. Yep, that's a one camera only clip for sure, but at least I can easily just place it somewhere else, and it's not going to be small to have too much distortion, I'm guessing. Let's see what the actual lens look like. I'm excited for this. Ooh, okay. 0.45 wide angle lens with macro, and of course it's gonna be those classic wide angle lens, and then macro is right there. So if you only want to do macro, it's pretty cool. You just keep that on, and if you want wide angle, bam. All right, let's remove that little cap. This is also twisty. That's nice. Hopefully they make more accessories or more lenses that also clip on to that specific clip. Okay, this feels really secure. The material, weirdly enough, I think this is aluminum. Yeah, this is aluminum. This is metal, at least, for sure. They did not have to pop off like that, but all right. I'm gonna turn on the camera on my phone. Hopefully that's a good example. If you see me, you know what I look like. And if I put this on, not bad, because out of the three cameras, there's basically one that's the best quality. It's the middle one, it's that one. And it's hard to get like wide angle. So I'm moving this, as you can see, and there's not a ton. I have a lot of room for distortion before I start getting vignette, before I start getting like too much distortion. So this is pretty cool. So you really see the difference. Okay, now I want to put my wide angle lens because I do have one of those here too. So that's my wide angle lens on the phone. So it's 0.5, and I'm guessing it's the bottom. No, it's the top actually. Okay, I didn't know that. And now we actually get all of the distortion, and we also get like the complete fisheye look, which I do not dislike. I've been actually looking for an effect like that with my phone. Now let me check the quality real quick. Quality is great. I do not notice a difference. Now this is thick. You cannot go unnoticed with this. This is so gigantic. Especially if you're gonna point it at someone like in the street or whatever, like, yeah, they know you're recording clearly. But for myself, if I'm recording a vlog at the end of like a selfie stick, I'm sure to really capture everything that's in frame. I really love that look. All right, let's go back to a normal camera. So there is a little bit of distortion. I don't know how I can demonstrate that. This is obviously like a straight wall. So there's a little bit of distortion on the extremities, but the middle part, it's not bad. It's really like the quality still stays relatively the same. Just we have a tiny bit of chromatic aberration, and yeah, so cool. All right, should we test the macro? I'm not gonna use it for macro, but I mean, I say that now, but you never know. Let's test the macro. I'm just gonna. Thankfully, it comes with a little bag that a little pouch that I can put it in. It's like that. Oh, I almost dropped that. There will be a link in the description if you want to get the same, if you have a phone where you're not sure how it's going to clip to it or whatever. Also, I just realized that I clipped it to the side and it worked, but how does it work if I were to clip it from the top? That also works. I just don't want to block the screen. So that's kind of annoying. Also, do not look at my notifications. So on top like this also works, but kind of blocks the screen, which I don't want, but that works. And if you want to slip it down to the main camera, that works. You just don't have access to the bottom camera. But on the side, if I'm on the main camera, it also blocks the screen a little bit, to be fair. But what do I have up there? Yeah, a couple options that I don't really use. So I was like, oh, why is my focus freaking out? Because I have the macro on. So macro is when you get really close. There. Anyway, so if I'm holding it like this, I'm going to be out of focus. This is a macro lens. I want you to see the difference first. So with, without, with, without. And now I'm going to get closer so you can see just how, how close you can show stuff. This is too much fun. But basically the distance would be something like that. So that's how close you can get to stuff to actually focus on them. As you can see, which is nice. Now, my phone has 3 cameras. It has a wide angle, a normal lens, and also a macro lens. I'm almost scared of testing this one. So let's remove this and let's set it to, it's a 3x zoom. It's not necessarily a macro, but it's the closest thing on the phone. So let's put this on. Wait, what? When do I use the bottom? Wait, what? Okay, listen. I just realized that the 3 numbers at the bottom here are not my lenses. Wide angle is the top one, normal is the middle, but macro is also the middle. Okay. Do I have a macro mode? I guess the third one is just a sensor. I need to look that stuff up. But apparently, yeah, the middle lens is going to be. Okay. That was weird processing time. And let's see just how close. Oh my. Oh my. So it's the same distance. It's just 3x zoom. It's the same thing. So here's my face. So here's with the lens and here's without the lens, I guess. All right, let's do another zoom into my eye. I have no idea if that was convincing or not. I think it freaks out my phone. All right, do not steal my fingerprint. I'm probably never going to be using the macro, but the wide angle and also the fisheye effect is definitely something that I want to use. It is freaking out. As usual, there will be a link in the description to that product or an equivalent. Links are affiliate, by the way, for both AliExpress and also Amazon, because I'm an affiliate on both of those. So if you decide to get yourself some goodies using my link, you're actually supporting the channel. Thank you. Okay, video was supposed to be over, but then I realized there's something that I need to try, and that is putting this over my other cameras. Sony ZV-1, we're gonna test it. I'm gonna remove that bracket. Okay, that kind of works though. Yo. Okay. Let me try not to put my fingers in there. You see this? I think that's the best way of demonstrating the 0.45 wide angle lens. And then we have the Insta360, which is for some reason pointing at me now. Nice, but I usually use it for my desk. So this is my usual setup. And if I put it up here, wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.